Cooking for the future. Why Barcelona? Why you? Because you have all the ingredients to make this city the tourist destination with the largest number of sustainable restaurants. You put the best of you behind every recipe with the best ingredients in the land that reach your kitchen in a responsible way. With a diverse human team that does its best to connect each table with the kitchen and ensures that nothing is left over. And now, the world has asked you for the most difficult recipe of your life.
Oído cocina.
Oído cocina.
Oído cocina.
The time has come to cook for the future, to think about those recipes that will make us better, to recognize your unique way of cooking, protecting the land. You know very well that these resources are an essential part of your recipe. This is the key. So, the future has asked you to cook. And of course, you're already in the kitchen. With you, Barcelona is poised for a great future. Shall we cook together?